Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting your mesh ready and your F3x only way tool open. Export the mesh as OBJ or FBX at a consistent scale, then import it into the Roblox workspace. Once imported, group the mesh parts and assign a primary part so F3x can manipulate it. You do this now because F3x relies on a clear model route to position and weld pieces. Make sure build and edit modes are enabled before you attempt placement, so transforms apply correctly. Once the model is grouped, convert or preserve mesh parts depending on whether you need Boolean unions or preserve topology. You should create weld constraints from the primary part to each child part to maintain relative transforms during movement. Check offsets so there's no visible gap. After welding, freeze transforms to lock orientation, then adjust collision and can collide to prevent physics glitches. Doing these steps prevents the model from drifting and ensures F3x tools move the mesh as a single solid object. Now place the mesh using F3x move and rotate tools with grid snap for precise alignment. You want predictable increments. Once placed, test and play mode to observe physics, collisions, and visual clipping. If you see jitter or separation, stop and recheck the primary part assignment, weld constraints, and frozen transforms, because most problems trace back to those. Also confirm scale and mesh bounds. Oversized collision boxes or non-uniform scale often cause unexpected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.